want to improve the intake on your BMW 3 Series, I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's walk through this project and the reasons why you're going to want to do this yourself. Now, this is a G20, so the M340. It still has the OEM airbox, and this is a really simple install and can make a significant difference in your car. This adds a little bit of performance. It can change the sounds of your intakes a little bit and takes out that relatively restrictive OEM airbox. This is the brand new intake from Infinite Autowork. This is a really straightforward install, and I'm going to walk you through every step along the way. All right, let's jump under the hood. Let's get started. All right, so starting here underneath, we're going to have to take the OEM one out, of course. You undo your MAF sensor. There's a little white tab right here. You can easily pry it out very gently. Press down on the tab, and then that will come off. Just tuck it away safely. Then you have a hose clamp right here that you want to loosen up. Once you get that hose clamp off, you can start to wiggle the entire box out. Now you can use what's usually it's like a 6mm socket or just a flat screwdriver in this case to loosen up this worm drive on this, and then it will start to come loose from all of this assembly, as you can see right there. As you grab underneath it, the whole box is going to come up and away off a series of rubber grommets, and it can be really tight, as you can tell, because it's probably not been out since it was at the factory. Okay, so we're just going to work it off those grommets just like that. And then the whole box comes out really simply. Now be really careful. We're going to be changing the MAF sensor to the new intake here in a second. But as you can see, the whole box is out just like that, very simply. Now let me get my camera angle so you can see a little bit of a better angle down below, because we're also going to take off this pipe as well.